So now let's see how we can work around with raw image crop inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So over here you can see that camera raw image is opened up, and if I were to go around over here on the right hand side, then you can see that crop is an option. If I were to go around onto the crop itself, then there's a crop option opened up right in camera raw, as you can see, and you can go around and you can crop the image around however you like. You can go around and resize this however you like. You can go around and place it right here just like this, click and drag around right here, pull it out, and you can see that this is what you have right here. So this is freestyle cropping right here, but what you can also do is you can go around over here in aspect ratio and choose around the crop type right here. You can go around, select 4:3 right here, you can go for 16:10 right here and resize it out, and then you cannot just go around and drag it from the side right here. You do have the same aspect ratio followed up, as you can see, just like that. So you can go around and change around the angle while you're cropping as well, and then you can constrain to the image as well, just like this when you're actually cropping, so that you don't go beyond the edges right here, just like this. So you can go around right here, just like this, and then you can constrain to image and work around with the angle. You can go around and rotate this out over here as well on the left or right, just like this, and you can flip it out over here just like this from top to bottom as well, according to how you like it. And that is how you can go around and utilize the raw image crop option inside of Adobe Camera Raw in Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.